Hello everyone, I am just an aircraft mechanic working on the airport, and today is my night shift. The reason why I put this video is for learning English. Now, if you are a mechanic as well, please pay close attention on me. Thank you. Good morning mates, and today is my day shift. The weather's good, but it's hot. So someone asked me why your accent is so heavy, but I have to tell you a fact. You know, the airport's so nice that I have to speak loudly to you.
那我对英语感兴趣，就想发一点视频，那我就发个抖音上去和大家一起分享，一起学习嘛。觉得我自己说的也很一般，然后呢，我发上去也没有期待很多人评论。其实我是那种说英语的时候啊，怕犯错啊什么。
Hi, good afternoon, mates. I want to correct two mistakes that is being found by someone who was making some comments on my account. Number one is noisy, not noise.
我不是追求那种刻意去学习的人，因为刻意学习会增加你自己的心理负担。没事的时候啊，就是家里没有人的时候，可以自言自语啊，用英语自言自语啊什么的。口音呢，其实我是因为觉得音比较好听，所以我在看外国电视剧的时候呢，我就稍微就是看英剧看得多一点，所以呢，我的口音就偏向英式一点。
When it comes to learning English, I think there's no shortcut for learning English. And in my view, I always learn English by watching TV, reading the newspaper, reading the BBC News or something else that is helpful to improve in English.
我这个视频嘛，也就是说尽力的去向广大的这个对于行业感兴趣的这些网民啊，这些朋友，就想介绍一下我们这个机务维修这个工作是怎么样的。
As we all know, the Chinese aviation is getting more and more globalized. So the purpose of this video is to let someone who is also a mechanic know more about aviation in English.